here without expectations. I heard a bit about him and his work, but I didn't really know what to expect, so I thought, well, let's just go and see what happens. And it was weird. It was weird because it is going out of the mind, getting into your heart. And it's easy to say, but hard to do. And during the weekend, we were giving exercises. And then I started experiencing something and I got very confused. So I asked Jose about it. And I said, I'm so confused. I see this and I feel that and I don't know what to make of it. And he said, well, I can help you. I can give you a gift. So I thought, why not? And he gave me the most amazing gift I've ever received. He taught me the way to get home. And I was so lost for many years. And now I found a way home. And it's so amazing. It's I can't describe it. There are no words for it, but I'm finally not lost anymore. I now know where I belong. And it's home. I call it home. You can call it what you want. You can call it space. You can call it source. You can call it whatever you want. But what most resonates with me at this moment is home. And now that I'm home, I can see things in a totally different way. It's so huge, it's so... Nothing doesn't matter anymore. It's just about being and let it happen. And by receiving the gift, that was the first miracles of lots of miracles I assume that will follow.